Hello and welcome to... This past July was the 25th anniversary of the UK's handover of...
Stop! Wait, you can't say their name.
Why?
Because that country will probably pull this piece on one of the platforms we're on.
Yeah, all right. Good point.
So let's do this. The UK gave back a certain territory they had ruled over since the First and Second Opium Wars in the mid-19th century.
Handed back to that big country with the red flag and 5 yellow stars in the top left
Yeah,
corner.
that'll work.
What? To integrate and protect rights, the new governing nation used a term. Should I say it?
One nation, two systems.
Right. Now, that handover isn't the topic of our latest series.
But that concept, one nation, two systems, is key to our thought experiment, if applied to the future of the United States.
There haven't been many, if any, periods in our history
Since the Civil War,
that we've been this divided, or at least made to feel so divided.
Now, we're not suggesting this is a solution or prediction of what the future holds.
However, liberals and conservatives do have vastly differing views on what an ideal government and way of life would look like.
So if we had a one nation, two systems approach, what would it look like?
We used a combination of voter registration,
Modern history voting patterns,
and current polling data on various issues to come up with a map that would look something like this.
Now we get it. There's an argument to be made about which states would fall into red or blue. For example, in Florida, if left up to the voters, it might not go with the red states.
And states like Wisconsin and New Mexico, for example, might not tilt blue.
And we assumed the group of blue would create statehood for Washington, D.C. and Puerto Rico, both joining the
Progressive states of America and the conservative
states of America.
In the next episode, we'll make some assumptions about the role a small, unifying central government would play.
Defense, central bank, an independent judiciary to settle disputes.
Because the PSA and CSA would each have individual constitutions.
With guardrails, of course.
Again, we're not suggesting that this is where we're headed.
Or that it's even a viable solution to maybe a problem we don't even have.
With the help of our experts, we'll spotlight facts and figures to imagine how different the government and way of life would look like in areas such as
Healthcare,
the role of religion in government,
education,
economics,
immigration,
and other divisive issues.
Watch for part 2, and please like, comment, and share.
Let's stop this madness before it's too late.